How do you learn English every day easily?
I study small lessons daily and practice speaking.
How does she start learning English as a beginner?
She begins with simple words and short sentences.
How do they improve their English step by step?
They watch easy English videos every day.
How does he remember new English words?
He writes each word in a notebook and reviews it.
How do students make English learning easy?
They learn with songs and simple stories.
How does your friend practice English daily?
He listens to English podcasts every morning.
How do you build confidence in English speaking?
I practice talking to myself in front of a mirror.
How does she understand English movies?
She watches with subtitles and repeats the lines.
How do beginners start reading English books?
They choose children's books with easy vocabulary.
How does he improve his English listening?
He listens to short English news daily.
How do you make English learning fun?
I play English word games on my phone.
How does she use English every day?
She speaks in English with her classmates.
How do they practice English naturally?
They think and plan their day in English.
How does your teacher help beginners learn English?
He teaches with examples and pictures.
How do you stay motivated to learn English?
I set small goals and celebrate when I achieve them.
How does he learn English pronunciation?
He repeats words after native speakers.
How do children learn English faster?
They learn through songs and rhymes.
How does she practice English writing?
She writes one short paragraph daily.
How do beginners speak English confidently?
They start with simple daily sentences.
How does he remember English grammar rules?
He practices grammar exercises every day.
How do you use English at home?
I describe everything I do in English.
How does she improve her English vocabulary?
She learns 5 new words daily.
How do they learn English without stress?
They learn slowly and enjoy the process.
How does he make English lessons interesting?
He uses cartoons and funny videos to learn.
How do you practice English with friends?
We talk about daily topics in English.
How does she learn English tenses easily?
She writes simple examples for each tense.
How do beginners avoid English mistakes?
They listen carefully and repeat correct sentences.
How does he practice English in free time?
He reads English blogs and quotes online.
How do you improve English pronunciation daily?
I record my voice and listen for errors.
How does she use her phone to learn English?
She installs English learning apps.
How do they practice English without a teacher?
They study online and speak with friends.
How does your brother learn English every day?
He watches English tutorials on YouTube.
How do you remember English idioms?
I use them in my daily conversation.
How does she start learning English grammar?
She begins with basic parts of speech.
How do beginners learn English faster?
They practice for at least 20 minutes daily.
How does he use English while traveling?
He asks questions in English to strangers.
How do you make English part of your life?
I listen, read, and speak English every day.
How does she study English at home?
She listens to English audio lessons.
How do they improve their English reading skills?
They read simple English articles daily.
How does he use English songs for learning?
He listens and sings along with the lyrics.
How do you start learning English pronunciation?
I repeat short phrases from online videos.
How does she practice English conversation?
She joins English speaking groups online.
How do beginners understand English easily?
They listen to slow English audio lessons.
How does he remember English phrases?
He writes and uses them in daily talk.
How do you make English learning simple?
I learn one topic each day.
How does she enjoy English practice?
She watches English dramas and repeats lines.
How do they keep learning English regularly?
They follow a daily English schedule.
How does he improve English grammar naturally?
He learns grammar from real conversations.
How do you learn English words quickly?
I read and repeat them aloud many times.
How does she make English practice daily?
She studies for 10 minutes every morning.
How do beginners practice English speaking?
They start with greetings and simple questions.
How does he use English while studying?
He reads textbooks written in English.
How do you improve English communication?
I talk about my day in English.
How does she stay confident while speaking English?
She ignores mistakes and keeps talking.
How do they practice English on weekends?
They watch English shows together.
How does he learn English vocabulary daily?
He keeps a small dictionary with him.
How do you study English with videos?
I pause, listen, and repeat each sentence.
How does she make English revision easy?
She reviews notes before sleeping.
How do beginners focus on English learning?
They study short lessons without pressure.
How does he learn English expressions?
He listens to native speakers in movies.
How do you remember what you learn in English?
I use new words in sentences daily.
How does she practice English with family?
She teaches them new English words.
How do they improve their English fluency?
They speak English daily without fear.
How does he practice English online?
He chats with English learners from other countries.
How do you use English every morning?
I read English quotes after waking up.
How does she learn English from TV shows?
She listens and repeats short dialogues.
How do beginners write English correctly?
They copy short paragraphs from books.
How does he keep English practice consistent?
He sets a daily reminder for study.
How do you use English during the day?
I think in English while doing my tasks.
How does she improve her English naturally?
She surrounds herself with English content.
How do they make English learning faster?
They mix fun and study together.
How does he stay interested in English learning?
He learns through topics he enjoys.
How do you practice English listening every day?
I listen to short English stories.
How does she focus on English fluency?
She talks daily without translating.
How do beginners stay confident in English?
They practice speaking slowly and clearly.
How does he learn English phrases daily?
He reads one English dialogue each day.
How do you use English in real life?
I talk to people in English whenever I can.
How does she practice English while cooking?
She listens to English recipes.
How do they enjoy English learning at home?
They play English learning games together.
How does he study English pronunciation daily?
He watches pronunciation tutorials on YouTube.
How do you learn English spelling?
I write each word 3 times.
How does she practice English with songs?
She listens, repeats, and sings along.
How do beginners make English sentences?
They use subject, verb, and object patterns.
How does he learn English with mobile apps?
He completes daily exercises in an app.
How do you improve English reading daily?
I read English blogs and articles.
How does she practice English tenses?
She writes sentences using all tenses.
How do they use English when studying?
They take notes in English.
How does he learn English easily at home?
He reads English flashcards daily.
How do you use English while chatting?
I text my friends in English.
How does she improve English every night?
She reviews vocabulary before bed.
How do beginners practice English with videos?
They repeat sentences and note new words.
How does he learn English from reading?
He underlines and learns unknown words.
How do you improve English through talking?
I start small conversations daily.
How does she make English speaking natural?
She uses English in daily activities.
How do they stay regular in English practice?
They fix a specific study time.
How does he make English learning simple?
He focuses on one topic at a time.
How do you enjoy learning English every day?
I mix study with games and fun.
How does she learn English step by step?
She starts from basics and moves ahead slowly.
How do beginners practice English daily at home?
They read, listen, and speak English regularly.
How does he make English learning a habit?
He practices English at the same time every day.